echoing throughout the arena.
Now back and forth they go. Shoulder tackle. Big Bill up against the ropes. Watch out, Bishop. Kong!
Oof. A cable of some kind.
Looks like a cable. I wasn't sure what it was at first, but it is a cable. You can see where it's been cut. And Big Bill's being choked as he's thrown over the top. And nothing Bryce Remsburg can do but watch.
A vicious brutality that we feared, damn near expected. Leona got caught. So did Brian Keith.
And this Chicago Street Fight continues on TNT, streaming on Max.
Welcome to the 100-degree sweat test. Which one of these two antiperspirants can stand up to the heat? Looks like ordinary antiperspirants can't take the heat. Ordinary antiperspirants can't fight sweat better than Secret Clinical.
Try new Secret Clinical Strength Spray.
What's this?
Stitch is back, all right.
He's so cute and fluffy. Control him.
Lilo and Stitch. Rated PG. Get tickets now.
The Tempur-Pedic Breeze makes sleep feel cool. So no more sweating all night or blasting the air conditioning, because the Tempur Breeze feels up to 10 degrees cooler all night long. During our Memorial Day sale, save up to $500 on select adjustable mattress sets.
Hey, it's nice out. You want to help me build something?
Okay.
With Gorilla, you can create a bond that lasts for the toughest jobs on planet Earth.
Introducing Michelob Ultra Zero. Zero alcohol, ultra smooth taste, just 29 calories. Stay in the game with Michelob Ultra Zero.
I'm not him. I'm not Jack.
Because a car that doesn't make you feel recognized is a car that stops short of amazing.
The cockroach, resilient creatures. Where there is one, others aren't far behind.
Well, that's horrifying.
Ortho Home Defense Max Indoor Insect Barrier. One application kills and prevents bugs for 365 days. Nature's wild. Your home doesn't have to be.
If you have a small business, you might not know you could be wasting money on your mobile plan, paying for stuff you don't need. Until now. Introducing the new My Biz plan from Verizon Business. Choose exactly what you want. Pay only for what you need. When you're in control of your mobile plan, you can make every dollar count. Right now, get our best price as low as $25 a line, guaranteed for 3 years. My Biz plan, only from Verizon Business.
KFC chicken and waffles. Juicy original recipe chicken and rich golden waffles drizzled in syrup. It's an order everyone will envy. Enjoy all this crispy sweetness today, just $7.
In 1892, a hockey lover made a proclamation.
I am willing to give a cup which shall be held by the winning club.
Today, proclamations sound different.
That's hockey, baby!
This cup became this cup. His last name was Stanley.
This golden summer, the world's top soccer clubs soar into the United States. 32 clubs, 11 cities, 4 weeks, one world champion. FIFA Club World Cup begins June 14th on TNT Sports and stream on DAZN.
The Chicago Street Fight continues on TNT. That is Brian Keith in the trash can, getting hammered by the gates of agony. We are also streaming on Max. I don't know what's going to be left of Brian Keith after all this is done. One. Big Bill comes in like a wrecking ball, taking care of both members. It's an agony. And Brian Keith finally gets out of the trash can. Boy, he took a lashing.
Oh, watch out. Big Bill again in command.
Two tables set up on the near side ring. Big Bill, what does he have?
Oh boy. He came out with that backpack earlier, and I wondered what was in it. I don't think it's his laptop. I don't think this is schoolwork. All right. Oh, there with it. Oh, he's got bricks. He's got bricks. He's not trying to build a house.
Powerhouse Hobbs knows all about this. Bricks from Big Bill. Gonna try to break.
Oh my gosh.
These bricks over the head. Oh, good God, I was talking about the sound. Never anything like that.
Richard Khan moving. Oh, and lying in wait. He's right down here by us.
Big Bill goes over the top.
Coming.
For God's sake. This is completely out of control.
Nice to on. No.
Brian Keith tried that trash can lid. Gonna try again. Oh! Into the midsection. On the back.
Nobody's safe here at ringside. Tony, right on your feet.
Keith elevated. Torleona,
the Samoan Lion,
back
ready to pounce.
Back with white blood coming out of the back. Here he comes. Hit a steam and boom. Oh my. And it froze him. How did it matter?
Tony, do you have a death wish?
Well, I'm trying to hang in here as best I can. Let's take a look once again.
This has been absolute chaos. First of all, watch this. Driving pounce straight over the table as I headed for safer ground. But then look at this. Torleona, impact.
Wow.
What a matchup.
This is as violent of a match as we've ever had here on Collision. And we've seen some crazy stuff.
You're sat in there like it's a walk in a park.
No, I'm trying to hang in there.
Man than me, good Lord.
Now back into the ring, at least attempting to go back to the ring.
What attempt to get back here at ringside. Good Lord.
Well, you got a match coming up, man. I get that next Sunday. I'm just trying to hang in as best I can, but the hell with me. Talk about these two guys, how they can survive this night.
Absolute chaos. The announce desk, the ring bell desk, but back inside. Bishop Khan.
Here comes Brian Keith. He's got the trash can.
Khan was wide open and he's all on his own.
How in the world Brian Keith can get on his feet after that? How can Bishop Khan get on his feet? And now, Torleona is going for the table. He screamed it out to the fans. Front row ringside.
Look at this. Oh no, this does not bode well for the bad apple.
Oof, a rising headbutt.
Right underneath the jaw. Leona fingertips.
Big cuts. Down goes Toa. Down goes Toa. Big Bill hammered by Bishop Khan. What in the hell are we watching?
This is amazing. The brutality. Viciousness.
He's got a piece of drywall.
He's not done.
A piece of drywall. Oh, my God. They're just slinging things around. And I've seen a lot of stuff in many years of wrestling, but I'm not so sure.
I've seen people laugh again, smiling. Bishop Khan loves it.
Look at the face of Brian Keith. He can't believe it. So he puts a knee to the jaw. Big Bill with a foot